Now it's a pause button. So it's okay. You're just trying to. All right. So the object or the instructions here. This is like the first couple of. I think it's the first 6. It would say to simplify. Here's what you do. Yeah, quiet, please. Quiet, please. Actually, does anybody remember what to do on this? No. When we multiply variables, what do we do to the exponents? When we multiply, what do we do? Add the exponents. So when we're dividing, we subtract the exponents. So what is the exponent for this? Because that's 1. That's an exponent of 1. Anytime there is no exponent, it's an exponent of 1. And then we subtract. What's 4 minus 1? Yeah, n cubed. Does that go on the top or the bottom? It goes on the top. It follows whatever is biggest. Since the n to the 4th was biggest, the n to the 3rd, 4 minus 1, will be in the top. All right, now what do you think we do with those numbers, the coefficients? Reduce them, yeah. What can we divide by? Yeah. This is not so bad, right? Coming back to you? No, it's terrible. 60 divided by 20 is 3. 40 divided by 20 is 2. I can't do any more. If I could still reduce this, I would, but I can't, so I won't. That's the answer.
You never add the exponent?
We only add the exponents if we had something like this, if we're multiplying. Like what we just did with the things we added. X times x cubed was x to the 4th. 1 plus 3 is 4. If there was a negative in front, it would just follow along. Yes. Can we be done with this example? We'll do another one. I don't know why I'm recording right now. Simplify. So maybe you want to try it on your own first, but actually you could do it all in your head, I think. What's the first thing that you would want to do? What do you want to do? Subtract the exponents. Okay. So what do you get? N to the what? N to the n cubed or n to the 3rd. Where does it go? Top or bottom? Bottom, because the n to the 5th is bigger. If you did 2 minus 5, you would get negative 3, but that would be an n to the negative 3. Anytime you do it this way, which is the way we were doing because we got complicated stuff, this is more simple. So we're not going to do it this way. It would be negative 3. However, when you have negative exponents, you move them to the bottom, and they become positive.
I remember this.
So like the shortcut is just subtract them like normal, and whichever one's bigger, that's where it ends up.
If it's positive, it stays on the top.
Yeah, but we're not dealing with that. Like we did that, but the other classes didn't. So we did the exponent, right? It goes on the bottom because the n to the 5th is on the bottom and it's bigger. Then what do we do?
Divide both, or reduce the fraction.
You can reduce this by what? Yeah, well, yeah, you could do negative 6, or you could do positive 6. I'm just going to do by 6, so I get negative 3 in the top and 1 in the bottom. Do we have to write the 1? No.